Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking at the week ahead. Now, fleeting views will very much be the name of the game, unfortunately, this week, as we've got a rather damp atmosphere with lots of low cloud, often covering the hills. Some drizzly bits and pieces at times, although not too much rain in total for most places. Fairly light winds overall, but just watch Thursday because that brings the prospect for gales across Scottish mountains. Temperatures for the week as a whole will be mild, although it does look a bit chillier by Friday. Some fairly weak weather fronts responsible for the rather damp and murky conditions on Monday. The wettest conditions over western hills of England and Wales, with some more persistent light rain and drizzle. For Scotland, patchy light rain in places, not really coming to a great deal, but still lots of cloud around. One or two local breaks may just poke through at times, but any sunshine very much at a premium. Light winds for Scotland, very sort of stagnant, quiet conditions over the Highlands, a bit breezier over England and Wales with a westerly. Temperatures then generally on the mild side. Tuesday does look breezier across the Highlands, particularly further northwest, rather windy at times over exposed coastal tops. Again, a lot of low cloud being drawn in on that west by southwesterly flow, some drizzly patchy rain over west coastal hills, but very little further inland and eastwards, best of any cloud breaks furthest east across the Highlands. England and Wales will see light winds for Tuesday. Again, a damp atmosphere producing low cloud over western coastal hills. A bit of fine drizzle in that at times, but nothing of any substance. And there should be some cloud breaks toward the eastern side of the major hill groups. Temperatures overall then stay mild, but will feel cooler in that breeze over the Northern Highlands. High pressure builds up across the country on Wednesday, but still a rather damp atmosphere wafting around that from the Atlantic, so still low cloud will be a problem for the mountains, with western hills in particular most prone to that to quite low elevations. A few of the highest tops in the Highlands may just manage to poke out above an inversion, but that cloud top is going to be a bit touch and go in terms of whether you can just get out of it completely. Overall then, best of breaks would still be favoured for more eastern parts with a light west by northwesterly breeze. We stick with high pressure to the south on Thursday, but we've got a low pressure system moving from Iceland towards Norway, and on its southern flank that will strengthen the westerly winds across Scotland up to gale force across the higher mountains. Could be severe gales on northern mountains in Scotland. Some rain is likely across the northwestern coastal areas, small amounts extending eastwards across the Highlands, with best of cloud breaks again further toward the east. England and Wales generally dry, with again some banks of low cloud focused on those western coastal spots. Light winds for Wales overall. High pressure expands back across the country on Friday, with the wind dropping lighter for all. Could just start blustery across some northeastern areas though, leftovers of Thursday's strong winds. Most places dry, chance of a local shower just as a weakening front breaks apart over the country before the high builds in. Temperatures a bit cooler across Scotland at least, could even be near to freezing point on the highest Munros further toward the north. England and Wales still fairly mild, some variable banks of cloud and some fog possible in a few of the valleys. And that will be a similar theme into the weekend because high pressure looks to be in charge with settled conditions and some valley fog in the forecast. Check all your local details for 3 days ahead every day on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.